Sure, they got it. Down and look.
I'm only going to Louisiana Avenue. Oh, okay. Louisiana Avenue. Walgreens? $1.25.
Only design.
Huh?
That's design. Keep hands. Please head and arms inside.
And I'm saying, don't be me, man. Take care of all. They're busy with some of that shit.
Come on now. Oh, act straight down open this bitch.
Let you go feeling.
Fuck it if you want to. Please.
Bitch ass shit.
Shut up, you bitch stuff.
200.
No, you not. No, give me that motherfucking phone right now. No, you bitched up. There was not 200 niggas in that house. There was like one or two, maybe one other nigga in that bitch. This nigga still bitched up. Fuck this.
Hey, look, you got people on the bus, okay? They got ladies on the bus, all right?
Oh, here we go.
Oh, here we bus. I bet y'all put you up for here. They got people on the bus. Respect them. You don't respect nobody else.
How about you just ride the spot?
No, I'm a rider, all right? Now keep on. I'll call the police and have you put up for us.
Shut up,
Oh, Jimmy. Bourbon Street. You gotta go to the next corner and get Bourbon Street. You're wrong, yo. You gotta walk down the next corner.
You can walk to Bourbon from here. You can walk. It's just straight down that way. Just straight down that way. I mean, it's a few blocks, but you can go straight and you'll run right into Canal, and on the other side of Canal is Bourbon Street. Okay, thank you. You're welcome. Nice little walk, but
I know that.
we're getting your chicken.
It's good, though, man. How you doing? I'm Paul. Oh, shit, there's a camera.
Yeah, it's like pointed that way, though.
Screen.
I thought it was tape in the rod.
Still Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Dispatch, train 8, St. Charles. Dispatch, train 8, St. Charles. I need transit over here, going over me, update on the car. Thanks to South Creek. I don't know when anybody's getting off at. How long you been? I'm only going to Louisiana. I'm at North Meeting in St. George now. She got on the canal, South Creek 2 or 3 times. Called it up. She's saying, I'm over. I think I want one more.